First, slide an acrylic ring onto each light arm. Thread the light arm through, then tighten it with the washer and screw. Repeat the steps to install the lamp arms on both the upper and lower parts of the chandelier main body. Adjust the position of each light arm, then use a tool to tighten them up. Pass this end of the red and blue wires through the middle of the chandelier. Pass the blue and black wires through the screw cap, then thread the other end through the lower part of the chandelier main body. Collect all the white, red, and blue wires, then secure them firmly using a wire connector cap. Collect all the gray and black wires, then secure them firmly using a wire connector cap. Arrange the wires neatly, then put the base cover on top. Tighten the screws to secure it. Twist the white wire and the blue wire of the chandelier's lower part together. Then clamp them tightly with a wire connector. Twist the gray wires and black wires together, then clamp them tightly with a wire connector. Fasten the screws in place. Attach the bottom cover, and then torque the screws to secure them tightly. Hang the decorative pendants in place. Assemble the lamp head part step by step. Pull the wires through the screw, then tighten the screw firmly. Connect the two wires together. Connect it to the power supply.